See, there are so many bad qualities in me which will stop me to achieve the success what I want to. But my drive and my passion, my commitment is so strong to become somebody who deserves that respect. And that's why I had to take the old Lena with all these qualities, write it down, throw it in the dustbin, and come out, evolve to start working towards my journey. Guys, how are you doing today? I'm super duper excited for the session of letter of commitment. That might be sounding so weird, right? What is this letter of commitment? We are going to discuss it in a minute. Before that, welcome you all my founding group people. I love you so much with open arms. Once again, welcome to the session. I am Lena, a founder of Live It Up, my company, an author, a woman entrepreneur, and a speaker and a coach. So today, we women are in a drive of doing something, coming out of that comfort zone and making a change in our life. And for that, the number one thing which is required is the level of commitment. Until and unless we don't commit to our success, we will never be able to reach there. So, let's get started! I would request you today to commit to your success. And this video will make you do some dirty things. So be ready with it. We are going to write two letters. One is a dirty letter wherein you are going to write all your dirty stuff which is there in your mind. Lena is angry. Lena is not able to earn money. Lena is not exercising. Lena is wasting time. Lena is not committed. All this stuff which is there in the back of mind, or the society is telling you, or the family members are telling you, is not hardworking. Lena is not sincere. Lena has wasted time. Is not forgiving. All this stuff which is there in your mind, put it and write it in a paper. I would request you, first of all, these thoughts should not come, and if it is coming, today we are going to end it. And if it comes in future also, just add the line up until now. Lena is angry up until now. Lena is not able to exercise up until now. Lena has not forgiven up until now. Lena has wasted time up until now. Lena is not able to earn money up until now. So it's basically tuning your mind that you are getting into a new birth. We are going to completely restructure and reshape or redesign our mind so that it believes and it understands that all the old stuff, all the dirty things which are there, it's come out and we have thrown it in the dustbin. See, there are so many bad qualities in me which will stop me to achieve the success what I want to. But my drive and my passion, my commitment is so strong to become somebody who deserves that respect. And that's why I had to take the old Lena with all these qualities, write it down, throw it in the dustbin, and come out, evolve to start working towards my journey. We are not going to say something which will pull us down, which will not build our confidence. So we are going to do this exercise where we are going to write a dirty letter, wherein write down everything which is coming in your mind, which you are not worthy of, which is you're losing confidence, which is making you weak. In this long years, usually what happens for women with the ups and downs of the family, your mind becomes very weak. It has happened to me as well. When we go through that ups and downs, there is a tendency of the mind becoming weaker and weaker. So it's very important that we need to write a letter of commitment towards ourselves. And write that commitment. So when you write that dirty letter, put all your emotions to it, put all your anger to it, put all your love to it, and write it down. Once you have written that dirty letter, crush it and throw it. And when you write the letter of commitment, write with a fresh mood. What are we committing to ourselves? What we mean it, we say it. What I mean, I say. What I say, I mean it. I'm not going to take myself so easy that whatever I say, I don't do. If I commit to myself, I'll make sure that every day I'm doing those activities. And so simple, it's just that you become your own boss to get that journey on. And if you're not ready to commit to yourself, trust me, you'll be falling behind. And I don't want any of my founders group members to fall behind. You think you are not ready, but I think you are ready, because that's the reason we are talking. That's the reason you are watching me and listening to me. Universe is thinking you are ready. And that's why we are connected today. But do you think you are ready? So when you write that commitment letter to yourself, write how amazing you are. I am superb in this, I am enjoying this. Just write down all the superb qualities of yours. In this month, I am going to make you little uncomfortable, where basically the rust of your body would be like you'll be dusting that rust from your body, which you have not used. Your smartness, your intelligence, your amazingness has been rusted. You have not tapped on that designer, you have not tapped on that intelligence from ages now. It's time to start working on it. I am also working on my journey. There is somebody who is helping me to get on with this journey. I might be in 5th standard and helping the 3rd standard, but there is somebody in 10th standard who is helping me. So it's a journey. It's a never ending journey, and we have to keep learning. That's why I say my mantra is learn it, live it, and give it. While I'm living it, I'm giving it as well. So let's write this commitment letter today to ourselves. I'll be posting my commitment letter. You can copy a few of the things from there and write it down in a journal, where either you paste that commitment letter in front of where you sleep. Every day, just go through that commitment letter once at least. It will give you all the passion and the confidence which is required to lead this journey. I will see you again in the next video, and I want to know you better with that letter of commitment. Love you so much. Bye.